Hi. Uh, Give me a second here. There we go. All right, so we're doing Microsoft Office for Business applications. My final presentation. Um, I created a PowerPoint for this. On the agenda, we have Microsoft Word Advanced Document Formatting, Microsoft PowerPoint Designing Engaging Presentations, Microsoft Excel Data Analysis and Visualization, um, Microsoft Access Database Creation and Management, and Microsoft PowerPoint Speaker Notes and Presenter View. So, under Microsoft Word Advanced Document Formatting, I learned how to create headers and footers, how to be consistent with the styles that I'm using for both the body text, the subtitles, and the actual titles, and inserting different things like tables, pictures, icons, really anything. Um, so, with that being said, I will be using that skill in my professional life to write like meeting minutes, notes, really anything that a document would be used for. Currently, I use Google Docs, but it's roughly the same information anyways, so it's pretty great. Um, in For personal use, I could make resumes, draft personal letters, create creative writing projects for school, or maybe even journaling. I can't really think of really anything else that I would really use it for, considering I use Excel and PowerPoint for honestly everything else. So yeah. Oh, where's that? There we go. All right, Microsoft PowerPoint, designing engaging presentations. For this skill, I learned how to use slide layouts, incorporate multimedia things like pictures, icons, and by pictures I mean like pictures from either online stock images or even like personal photos. Learned how to use like animations, which actually I'm using for all of my uh, titles. Um, and transitions, which is what I'm using when I click to the next slide. So, in my personal life, I could create slideshows for different events like weddings or birthdays or even just random get togethers, which I actually have done before. Um, so, yeah, that's pretty great. In my professional life, I could create important presentations for meetings or trainings. I actually have created PowerPoints for my trainings before, but honestly, a lot of the skills that I thought I had, I didn't have. So it was good to get a refresher on this and actually be forced to utilize the skills needed for um, professional life. Microsoft Excel data analysis and visualization. The skill that I learned was using there's blah blah. I'm so sorry. I learned how to use formulas, create charts, manage large data sets, and analyze trends with pivot tables. Um, I think the hardest part was the pivot tables and the formulas. I still don't quite get the formula area. I was just kind of like going through the motions, but that's for a different discussion. Um, for my professional use, I can use it to track sales, budget, financial reporting, analysis, performance, metrics. And in personal use, I can manage household budgets, which I actually do. My boyfriend and I both do it, and he uses pivot tables a lot more than I do, but maybe I should start using them more. Track personal investments, which I don't do right now, but I should. and organize vacation plans, which my boyfriend and I both do. We both love spreadsheets. It's a big part of who my boyfriend is, and I just learned to catch on. It was pretty great. Microsoft Access database creation and management. The skills that I learned were designing databases, creating tables, running queries, and we're generating reports. I thought it was really cool to be able to like have a database for like all of the and or to be able to import things from like Excel into all of these databases. So that was pretty intense, and I really loved it. My boyfriend took this class, and he didn't like the access part as much. He said it was kind of useless, and I actually kind of think it's pretty cool. So for professional use, I could manage customer information, track inventory, or build data-driven applications for businesses, which I probably wouldn't do because I'm not that creative. But for personal use, I could organize personal collections like books or movies or my amiibo collection, my boyfriend's amiibo collection. We have two different styles. He has the Super Smash Bros. Ones, and I have the Animal Crossing ones. Um, Track family records, or managing club memberships. For the final thing that I learned, it was Microsoft PowerPoint, the speaker notes, and presenter view. I actually really like this because I feel like I didn't really know this before, but so the skill that I learned was obviously using the speaker notes to include key talking points and leveraging presenter view to manage presentations effectively during delivery. For the professional use, that would enhance my presentations for meetings or conferences by staying organized and delivering confidently without overloading slides with text like I did here. I'm such a hypocrite. It's fine. For personal use, practicing for public speaking events, guiding personal storytelling during family events, or organizing presentations for community projects. Honestly, I probably wouldn't like use it at all in my personal life. I just had to find something to use, to say. But yeah, thanks for listening to my presentation. Have a great rest of your month, and happy Christmas or Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.